viewers today. Thank you for stopping by. And Mr. Seagull, thank you for keeping me company during my live today. I wanted to share this with everybody just one more time. And Seagull's walking away. How beautiful it is out here today. And if you want to catch the recap, live is out there from today, January 25th, 2025. Thank you to everybody that came out today. Check your notifications. I did have people tell me that they're not getting notified. You may have to uncheck it and recheck it one more time just to make sure. And there are some pelicans. Hey, Mr. Pelican. 3 of them with the seagull. Good to see you. Hopefully you'll come back next time I'm live. As I go south. To give y'all one look today. Mr. Seagull, he's still hanging around. And thank you so much for coming out to my live today. I'd love to see everybody. God bless y'all and hope you're having a wonderful weekend. All right. There we go. And one more time for Mr. Seagull. Hope to catch you next time, Mr. Seagull. Yep, there he goes. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one.